Take control of your lighting with the MOES Smart Wi-Fi Switch. Turn lights on or off remotely, use voice commands, and set schedules with ease. It's a simple way to make your home smarter and more convenient. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the MOES Smart Wi-Fi Switch, screws, user manual. Installation. Turn off the circuit breaker and confirm the power is off with a voltage tester. Remove the old switch, identify the live, neutral, and load wires, and take a photo of the wiring for reference. Connect the live wire to L, the neutral wire to N, and the load wires to L1, L2, L3, or L4, depending on your switch model. Tighten all connections securely. Secure the switch in the wall box, attach the glass panel, restore power at the circuit breaker, and verify the switch is ready for setup. How to pair. Install the MOES app from the App Store or Google Play, or scan the QR code. The MOES app is recommended for better compatibility and features, although the Tuya Smart and Smart Life apps are also supported. Open the app and create a new MOES account using your phone number, or sign in with your existing account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth is enabled. Tap Add Device in the app and scan the QR code on the switch. Press and hold the switch button for about 10 seconds until the white LED flashes rapidly. Wait for the setup to finish, then name the device and tap Done. Scan the Matter QR code, then follow the on-screen instructions to add the switch to your preferred Matter-compatible platform, such as Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home. Once setup is complete, you can control the switch seamlessly across supported smart home ecosystems. Smart features. Control your lights from anywhere using the MOES app on your smartphone, whether you're at home or away. The switch also supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home via Matter, allowing you to turn lights on or off with simple voice commands. Set custom schedules, countdown timers, and automation routines to match your daily lifestyle. You can create personalized scenes that automatically control your lighting based on the time of day or other smart home events. Built with Matter support, the switch integrates seamlessly with leading smart home platforms through a single setup process. It offers reliable cross-platform control, making it easier to manage your smart home devices from different ecosystems. Available in 1-gang, 2-gang, 3-gang, and 4-gang models, the switch lets you control multiple lighting circuits independently from one sleek wall panel. Its modern glass touch design adds both convenience and a stylish look to your home decor. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.